Question 7. Yep, question 7. That's the same way I started the last video. Question 7. 3,826 divided by 6. I've got my dividend inside the box, my divisor outside. I'm ready to get started. 3 is less than 6, so I need to include the neighbor to get 38. The closest multiple of 6 to 38 would be 36, and we find that by multiplying 6 by itself. These guys are lonely, need some buddies, so they get zeros, and up top gets zeros also. This shows us that 600 times 6 gave us 3,600. I'm ready to subtract, and I get 3,826 minus 3,600 gives us 226. So he's going to move next door. 2 is less than 6, so I need to include the neighbor, and I've got 22. The closest multiple of 6 to 22 would be 18, and I find that by multiplying 3 and 6 together. This 6 needs a buddy, so I'm going to put a 0 there. And if I add a 0 here, I also need to add 1 up top. This shows us that 30 times 6 gives us 180. I'm ready to subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 8 I cannot do, so I'm going to need to regroup. Now I've got 12 minus 8 is 4, and 1 minus 1 would give us 0. 46 is bigger than 6, so we're going to keep going. Bring 46 up here. The closest multiple of 40, nope. The closest multiple of 6 to 46 would be 42. And we get that by multiplying 6 and 7 together. As you can see, everyone has a buddy. I'm not putting any zeros on this level. And when I subtract, I am left with 4. 4 is less than 6, so I am not going to make another box. Instead, that is my signal that we are all done. This is my remainder. And I can find the rest of my quotient by adding these guys together up top. So 600 plus 30 plus 7 would give me 637, remainder 4. So 3,826 divided by 6 gives me a quotient of 637, remainder 4.